Accepting and worshiping the graven image that has the likeness of the children of the watchers is idolatry. There are many indigenous black people who accept the false Messiah as the Elohim of Israel. They worship this idol in religion. Due to this major mistake, the indigenous people are suffering all over the world. You can find altars raised to the graven image the world accepted as the Elohim of Israel in every nation. Even the indigenous people living in the remote places of this world know about white Jesus. Yet their conditions never improve. It seems to me the so-called gospel has made its way around the world if the indigenous black people dwelling in the remote places know who white Jesus is. How come the end is not here like the scripture said?